In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder products in WooCommerce. Whether you're managing a small online shop or a larger e-commerce store, organizing your product listings can greatly enhance user experience and make your store look polished and professional. Now, let's dive straight into the process. To begin, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you can manage various aspects of your online store. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Products option in the left-hand menu. Hover over this option and click on All Products. This will bring up a list of every item you currently have in your store. Next, find the product you wish to reorder. When you hover over a product, you'll see several options appear beneath its name. Among these options is Edit. Click on Edit to enter the product's individual settings page. This is where you can modify various details about the product, from its description and price to inventory status. Once you're in the product's settings, scroll down to find the section labeled Product Data. This section is crucial because it holds all the key information related to your product. Here, locate the tab that says Advanced. The Advanced tab contains more specific settings that can help you customize your product's functionality and appearance in your store. Within the Advanced tab, look for a field labeled Menu Order. This is the field that controls the position of your product in the product listings. Enter a numerical value here to set the order in which your product appears. For instance, you might enter 0 for the product you want to appear first, 1 for the second, and so on. It's important to note that the order is determined sequentially, with lower numbers appearing first. This allows for a straightforward and intuitive way to manage your product's display order. If you happen to assign the same menu order value to multiple products, they will be sorted alphabetically within that order group. This can be useful if you want a specific section of products to be sorted by name while still maintaining the overall sequence within your store. After making these adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by scrolling up and clicking the Update button. This ensures that all your edits are applied to your online store. By following these steps, you can efficiently reorder your products in WooCommerce, giving you greater control over how your store's pages are displayed. This simple yet effective approach to product management can make a significant difference in creating a user-friendly shopping experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your online store.